Today, I want to talk to you about the power of belief and how it can help you achieve anything you set your mind to. We all have dreams and aspirations, but oftentimes, we let self-doubt and fear hold us back. We tell ourselves that we're not good enough or that we don't have what it takes to succeed. But the truth is, our beliefs have a powerful impact on our ability to achieve our goals. Henry Ford once said, "Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right." Our beliefs shape our reality, and if we believe that we can achieve something, we're much more likely to make it happen. So, how can we develop a belief in ourselves and our abilities? The first step is to start small. Set yourself a goal that's achievable, and work towards it every day. When you achieve that goal, you'll start to build confidence in yourself and your abilities. The second step is to surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and support your goals. Listen to motivational speeches, read inspiring books, and fill your mind with positive affirmations. The third step is to visualize your success. Close your eyes and picture yourself achieving your goals. Imagine how it will feel and what it will look like. When you visualize your success, you start to create a roadmap for achieving it. But the most important step is to take action. Your beliefs alone won't get you to where you want to go. You need to take action every day, no matter how small, to move towards your goals. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. There will be setbacks and failures along the way, but it's important to keep moving forward. Use those setbacks as learning opportunities, and keep pushing towards your goals. And finally, I want to remind you that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Don't let self-doubt and fear hold you back. Believe in yourself, take action every day, and you will achieve greatness. In closing, I want to leave you with a quote from Napoleon Hill: "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." Believe in yourself, and you can achieve anything. Thank you for listening, and I wish you all the best on your journey towards success.